Today I want to take just a few minutes and show you something that we're really excited about that we've been working on since last year. This is called PureIDX. And let me just tell you a little bit about how we got started with this. We were looking for a solution. We have a lot of clients that use WordPress. We love WordPress. We think WordPress is really the best platform for people to develop their website on. But we have a lot of clients that don't want WordPress. They want something that's more simple to manage. They're looking for something more like a Wix or Squarespace or Weebly, or they're even using the GoDaddy page builder or anything else but WordPress. So we worked on an HTML site, and it just didn't really work out very well for us because it was even more complicated for our clients to use than WordPress. So one of our developers had a really good idea, and we've been working on it quite a bit, and we're ready to start testing this with clients. So we're sharing this video with just a handful of clients right now. We're going to do a test of this, and we think it's something that's going to be really great, and we think that there's a lot of benefits of it. Basically, it's almost like a no server website. It runs really fast, it runs really lean, and I'm going to be making some more videos about how to do things as we start setting these up for people. We're going to add some more features into it. We're going to make them faster, and this week we'll be pushing out some new updates on these. But anyway, let me just show you this one as a quick example. Basically, this is just a normal website here. You can see, you scroll down, it has some it has IDX Broker widgets in here that automatically update. So in this case, I think this one's showing the newest listing over $1 million. This is showing like the newest listing between, I think, like 800 and 1 million or something like this in this slot of the page. So every day that'll update if there's a new listing. This shows, I think, between 700 and 800 or something like that. So each of these are different price ranges. This one shows between, let's say, 600 and 7, this between 5 and 6, and I think this shows maybe between 200 and 500 or something like that. This is kind of a funny picture to have here. It looks like just a street shot here. Then over here, these are widgets also from IDX Broker showing the newest St. Augustine listings, or you could put Miami, Miami Beach, and South Miami Beach right here. So this just has a bunch of listings here, and that updates. You can see we have the popular searches here. These are click-offs to saved links on IDX Broker. And then we have a little bit of content here. You could put a picture of yourself here and some information about you. Here's a link. Here's the footer of the page, and again, a place to put some more information about you. And the menu here, these menus are currently just pointing over to some, kind of some web pages about web development. But you can set these to be anything you want. We recommend that these go to IDX Broker pages. But let me show you. You can see here the title of this page is called IDX Zen. So let me just show you this. This is something really interesting because it updates using a Google Sheet. So it makes it really easy for a client to come in here, or for you as our client to come in here and say, hey, so I don't really need the word community, but let's put our team in here, and then we're going to link this over to our roster page, so you could just update this instead of going to developer.mozilla. It could go to your page, and we have a setup form that you can fill out to make this really easy to set up. Here's the logo. We just put in a link. If we want to put in a new logo, we just put in a new link. But let me show you. So I just moved this PureIDX. And what else? I changed this to our team. Okay, so you just come over here to this page, you reload it. So you reload the page, and you can see now this is PureIDX here. This is our team, and it's reloading these images. So everything's just real easy to update right here as we Move along here. There's a footer logo. There's the fave icon. The price range, which is those widget areas I told you on the home page. There's 4 of those. So if you say new Miami listings, and we'll just kind of scroll through that. We even have a place here you can put the names of those popular searches that we put here. So, and these go to links to properties. So say we're putting in Seattle real estate for one of them. You can put in whatever, all this information. There's the image down there. Here's the title for this, Lorem Ipsum Residence Club. So maybe I'll just change that to say Luxury Residence Club. And we have the links, about this area. You can put a link to whatever page we want this to go to. We're going to build out some IDX broker pages. There's my face. We'll build out some IDX broker pages to link these to. You can put your social media links down here at the bottom of the page. It's pretty easy, just something like that. And you can even add custom CSS in here. If you have your own styling or some of those things that you want to add in here, you can put that in right here, and we'll put in an example loaded up so somebody can see it. Down here in the footer, you can put your information, whatever that is here, and then down in that bottom right hand section, it looks like there's a little piece of HTML code. Here's the call button link, message button, tour, and we even have a place where you can put in your Google Analytics token, and it'll update that on your site. So it's pretty search engine friendly. It loads fast. So let's just reload this. We'll take a look at some of those changes we made here real quick. So I think we saw our team. This is new Miami listings. Here's Seattle real estate. Here's the Luxury Residence Club. Here's the word broker. And you can see just like that, it updates. So what's really cool about that too is that if you say, well, I don't really like those changes, then you can come back in here and you can see these are the things that were changed. It's highlighted them, and you can come back in here and restore a copy of this, or you can restore it to this version right here. And so you have Google basically handling all the backup of your website. Runs real fast. Again, we're writing some new code that's going to make all of this IDX widgets load even faster. But we're really excited about it. It can be really customized quite a bit. And we think it'll be something that'll be great to for a community page or something, tie into your IDX broker listings, your information, and it's just ready to go with IDX. So I'll send some pricing information to you. That we don't want to put it on a video because we're probably going to do some introductory pricing with this, and we just think it's going to be a ton of fun. So if you're interested, let us know. We're looking for about 3 people that are willing to sign up to start doing this. And then we're going to have our developers work really closely with you. There's going to be a form we're going to ask you to fill in. And for the sign up, I'll just show you roughly what that's going to look like. I think it's, this is not it, but it'll be something along these lines. I don't remember the link for the new form. But there's like a picture here, and we've identified, what pages go here. So we'll ask you for your social media links and the cities you want to use and the price ranges and your logo and all that information. And then we'll one of our developers will go through and load this up. Should take about 1 business day to get your site loaded up and put together. And we're just super excited about it. So we hope it's something that'll work out good for you and something that that if you're interested in, let us know, and we'd love to work with you.